Today we're checking out something a little different from the usual tech gadgets. If you've ever wanted to make ice cream at home like a pro, or even serve it in a small cafe, this ice cream maker commercial desktop ice cream machine might just be the gadget you didn't know you needed. And yes, it's fully automatic, single head, tabletop style, and honestly, it's kind of fun just to watch it work. Now, first impressions matter, right? When I unboxed this machine, the first thing that stood out was how solid it feels. Most ice cream machines I've tried in the past feel a bit flimsy, especially the countertop ones that claim commercial grade, but this one actually has that weight to it, giving you the confidence that it can handle a good batch of ice cream without wobbling or overheating. The build is mostly stainless steel with some durable plastic parts, and it's surprisingly sleek for a machine that's technically meant for commercial use. Setup was really simple. You don't need to be an engineer to get this running. Basically, you place it on your countertop, plug it in, pour in your ice cream mix, and the machine does the rest. It's fully automatic, meaning you don't have to manually churn or monitor the freezing process. It handles everything, from the freezing to dispensing soft-serve ice cream directly into a cone or cup. And speaking of cones, the single-head design is perfect for small kitchens, cafes, or even a fun setup for a party at home. You're not dealing with multiple levers or heads that get confusing, it's straightforward and intuitive. One of the coolest things about this machine is the consistency. You get soft-serve ice cream with the perfect texture every single time. It's not too hard, it's not icy, it's that creamy, smooth soft serve that you usually only get at an ice cream shop. And because it's a commercial-grade machine, it's faster than your typical home ice cream maker. You can churn out multiple cones back-to-back without waiting hours for the next batch to freeze. This is especially handy if you're thinking about small-scale catering or just love hosting friends and family for dessert nights. Another point worth noting is cleaning and maintenance. Let's be real, machines like this can be a pain to clean, but this model makes it manageable. Most of the parts that come into contact with the ice cream are detachable, and the smooth surfaces wipe down easily. Plus, it doesn't have a lot of nooks and crannies where leftover ice cream can get stuck, which is something I've struggled with in other machines. When it comes to performance, I tried a few different flavors, classic vanilla, chocolate, and even a mixed berry swirl. The machine handled all of them beautifully. I even experimented with a slightly thicker custard base, and the motor didn't struggle at all. The freezing mechanism seems efficient enough to handle higher volumes, which is why it qualifies as commercial. Of course, it's not industrial scale, but for a small cafe, restaurant, or home party, it's more than sufficient. The control panel is super simple. There's basically an on/off switch and a lever for dispensing. That's it. No complicated menus, no confusing buttons, you just turn it on, wait a few minutes for it to reach the proper temperature, and then you're ready to start serving ice cream. It's minimalistic, which I appreciate, especially in a kitchen setup where you don't want extra bells and whistles getting in the way. In terms of noise, it's actually quieter than I expected. Most commercial-style machines can be really loud, and you feel like you need to step away while it's running, but this one has a pretty low hum. You can easily have it running in your kitchen without it feeling like a construction site. Now, aesthetics do matter, especially if you're placing this on a countertop where people will see it. I like the clean, professional look. It has that stainless steel finish, which feels premium, and the compact design means it won't dominate your counter. It's functional, but also looks